In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get the AI manga filter on TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up TikTok on your device. And also, just a quick note, you want to make sure you have the most up-to-date version of TikTok. So if you're using an Android device, if you go into the Play Store and search TikTok, it's going to tell you if there's an update available. Or if you're using like an iPhone, go onto the iTunes Store and again, it will tell you if there's an update available. So once you've got the latest version of TikTok, what you want to do is open up TikTok, and the best way to find the filter is to actually come up to the search bar in the top right hand corner. And sometimes it doesn't actually appear under filters. So what you want to do is come to the search bar and then you want to go ahead and type AI manga and then select the top result. So what it's going to do is bring up some videos of people that have used the AI manga filter, but you can see at the very top, this very top one, it says AI manga. So to use the filter, all you want to do is click the red camera button next to the filter. And what you can then do is record the video, and this is going to apply the effect. So you can now see that this has applied the filter. And what you then do is click the record button to start recording with the manga filter on. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.